Hello, I'm Peter Towers, founder and managing director of ESSBIZTOOLS. Welcome to this introduction to Accountants Minute edition 423, Building Future-Ready Advisory Firms. That's the challenge for accountants. Last week we brought to you an overview of the comments that were made by the then Tax Commissioner, Chris Jordan, 3 years ago, when he indicated that accountants had to make changes to become the trusted advisor. For very small firms and potentially bookkeeping firms, he also indicated that if they were involved in small work, they needed to really look at their business operations. Both groups need to closely evaluate what work you could do for your clients. And there's a crying need for more effort to be made to assist SMEs to survive and then thrive. And hopefully some of them will elect that they wish to scale up and become great businesses. You can assist them on this journey. That's our role as an accounting profession, not just to be there to prepare income tax returns, in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of Accountants Minute. But also we have a webinar where we're going to be evaluating all aspects of this whole process of how you can assist your clients and the tools and resources that are available from firms such as ESSBIZTOOLS to assist you to deliver those services. And that's on Wednesday at 11 a.m. AEST. And then this week we are departing from our normal practice with Accountants Minute, whereby I normally produce a podcast the day after we launch that edition of Accountants Minute, but this week we're changing it. On Thursday afternoon at 4 p.m. AEST, I'll be joined by an icon of the Australian accounting industry, Andrew Geddes, joint founder of the Financial Management Research Centre, an extremely well-known accountancy industry coach, mentor for many accountants around Australia, including me. And we're going to evaluate in an open session just how prepared and ready accountancy and bookkeeping firms are to deliver the type of services that Chris Jordan spoke about 3 years ago. And please remember, on Chris Jordan's timetable, it's now down to 0, because he originally said 3 years, to 24 months. And that was originally a 5-year figure. Time is marching on. It's time for action. Now is the time to face up to the realities in the marketplace. Changes are occurring. So I look forward to you joining us for the webinar and the podcast. If you have any questions you would like answered in the podcast, you can send them through to me earlier if you like. Just send an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. And I hope you're able to join us at 4 p.m. on Thursday. But as always, we will be recording the podcast and distributing that to accounting and bookkeeping firms throughout Australia. So look out for it, please, and listen to some of the advice that I'm sure Andrew Geddes is going to give to the current generation of accountants and bookkeepers running professional service firms in this country. I look forward to talking to you on Wednesday and again on Thursday. Have a great week. Goodbye.